here to show you my karate. So I am here to show you my karate champ. As I am a karate champion, I would love you to show my talent. And during my audition also, I once said that for me, women empowerment doesn't only mean mentally strong, but also physically strong. And I am going to show you my strengths today, as I have learned. First, I will show you one of my achievements. As you can see, this is my karate certificate, which is written in Japanese. And this is my karate trophy, which I won in 4th Open Invitational State Karate Tournament of Championship in Nasik, Maharashtra. Now, I would like to show you some of my glimpses. Give me 2 minutes to set my background, please. Ready? मम्मी हटो इधर से.
नेहा आप म्यूट पे हैं.
Yes. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching me very nicely and attentively. I hope this will help you to even in your life, even in the journey of your life. Now, I would like to show you some of the blogs which will help in your daily life. The men or the strangers who used to tease you every time, it will be beneficial during that scenario. I will show you 7 blogs. First, this. When someone is hitting you on the private part, you can do this. Just cross your hands and this. It will help you if someone is hitting you right here. It will be beneficial. My second block. This. If someone is giving you a punch, it will be beneficial for you to block him like this. My another one block is this. If someone is hitting you from upward of your head, like this, with a stick or with a weapon, you can block like this. There are various blocks if someone is punching you. You can hold one hand and do like this and put his hand back here. If you have to punch someone, just punch it in your face during your facial expressions. This, and this. These are the main parts to which if you will give a punch, the another stranger will automatically get hurt and he will die. So I hope my talent have supported you guys a lot, and through my talent, you guys have learned a much. And this is only what I wanted to show. I just wanted that my talent will definitely going to help you in further your journey, and that is what my talent is actually. Thank you so much. It was a loving experience with all of you guys.
Thank you, Neha. Jury members, the time taken was 4 minutes and 45 seconds. So basically, she ended up exceeding 3 minutes of her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Abhirami. Hi, Abhirami.
Mom, how are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm fine, Mom.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
A very good afternoon to everyone, and thank you for an opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Abhirami from Tamil Nadu, the southmost state of India. I'm 19 and I'm currently pursuing my third year of bachelor degree in architecture. I'm basically a workaholic person and love to do some paintings and artworks. For post-time relaxation, I enjoy dancing and a little workout to keep myself fit and healthy. My inspiration comes from my family, all the positive behaviors and I learn from them and try to apply in my life. So this is the painting I have done recently, a portrait of an African Mecca. And also I won, this is a certificate, I won the first place from Everest Boards India for designing the COVID ward healthcare centers. So, and also as a part of art and craft, I love to do some miniature crotchets like this and I give to the kids around my residence. I also have a passion towards modeling and I would have joined any of the modeling agency, but I decided to participate in beauty pageant. The reason is that I'm from a very orthodox family and I was restricted many times just because they believe that it is only about beauty and glamour. But I wanted to tell the society and people around me the true reality of beauty pageant, that they showcase our talents like now and also give the chance to raise our own voice. So here I am in FCR's Forever Miss India. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Abhirami. So let's head to Glory. Hi, Glory.
Hello, everyone. Very good afternoon to all. And I'm scared and excited. So shall I start now? Okay. I'm Glory Kalai and greeting for you all. And I am from Northeast and working in Proscenium Theatre as a manager, which is basically mime acting and also for the dance, a Zumba instructor. So I used to do arts and craft, which you can see my earring. This is made by me and I modify some chain. I used to collect some jewelry and make this things jewelry. I'll make for you all also when I get chance. So I'm going to perform some dance and acting since I'm in dance. So here I go. So I'm going to do an acting now. गुज्जर, आखिर तू मेरे कदमों में आ ही गया। मैं जीत गई गुज्जर, तू हार गई, क्योंकि जीत हमेशा भगवान की होती है, शैतान की नहीं। And I'm going to sing. मिले हो तुम हमको बड़े नसीबों से, चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से। मिले हो तुम हमको बड़े नसीबों से, चुराया है मैंने किस्मत की लकीरों से। Thank you very much.
Thank you, Glory. Thank you so much. Jury members, Glory was 30 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Pranjali. Hi, Pranjali. अपने आप को unmute कीजिए. Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon.
Are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, go ahead.
So, namaste. My name is Pranjali Pujari and I'm 21 years old. I'm born and brought up in Mumbai and I have pursued my graduation in mass media and specializing in advertising. And now I'm studying for my master's in advertising and PR. My hobbies include dancing, acting, and traveling. And yeah, I feel like you can't be restful or peaceful if you want to follow your passion. So yeah, that's why I'm here. So I'm gonna act for you. So let me just tell the scenario. Okay, so I'm in a plane, and this is a conversation between a senior citizen and me as an adult. So I'll be traveling to this plane. Yeah. So should I start my act? could you please say action so that I can get ready? Okay. 2C. Okay. Yeah. Hello, sir. Actually, I think आप मेरी सीट पर बैठे हो, तो please. सर एक्चुअली मैं अपने सीट पर बैठना चाहती हूँ, तो प्लीज आप अपने सीट पर चले जाइए. या प्लीज. एक्सक्यूज मी सर. जैसे कि ये यंग बच्ची ने पहले ही अपनी मनपसंद की सीट ऑलरेडी बुक कर ली थी, और आपने और आपके यंग बेटे ने ये सब पहले से नहीं सोचा, और आप मुझे यहाँ से वहां घुमाना चाहते हैं, जैसे कि आपका हक है, और आप ये चाहते हैं कि मैं जाके उन दो आदमियों के बीच में अनकंफर्टेबली बैठूं, और ये ऑर्डर मैं मानना नहीं चाहती. सो प्लीज आप आपके सीट में चले जाइए और मुझे अपनी सीट दे दीजिए. और सर, आपको ये नहीं लगता कि इज्जत मिलना सबकी हक की बात है? लाइक कभी कभी एल्डर्स को भी यंग जनरेशन को रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए, बिकॉज इवन वी expect the same thing from our senior citizen, and like all of us expect the same respect from each other, right? So thank you.
Thank you, Pranjali. Thank you. Pranjali was 40 seconds past her scheduled time, jury members. So moving forward, we have Saloni Mahajan, and post Saloni, the sequence would be Komal, Drishti, Seli, Kanchan, and Tina. So let's hear it from Saloni.
Hi, my name is
Hi.
Saloni Mahajan. I'm 19 years old. I am from Thane. I'm going to showcase you my talent, which is dancing. I'm going to dance on the song, which is Makhna. Can I show you now? That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Saloni. Thank you so much. Jury member, Saloni was 15 seconds past her scheduled time. And also, there's one more notification, guys. You do not have to ask for permission to start your act or something. It's your 90 seconds, your time, so you are free to do or start, whenever you wish to. And there's one more request. There are two usernames जिनका login device name के साथ हुआ है, Poco X3 and Galaxy A20. I'd request you to change your names into the settings, ताकि it's easier for me to recognize your identity. So moving forward, let's hear it from Komal. Hi, Komal.
Hello. Hi, everyone. My name is Komal Agnihotri. I have completed my MTech in Systems and Control Engineering from IIT Bombay. Apart from my academics, I'm very much interested in modeling. My hobbies are singing and playing guitar. So here I am playing guitar with the song Agar Tum Saath Ho. So actually, I have recorded the audio also. Should I share my screen or should I play it right now?
You cannot share your screen, Komal.
Okay, sure. So I can play it. तेरी नजरों में है मेरे सपने, तेरे सपनों में है नाराजी। मुझे लगता है कि बातें दिल की होती लफ्जों की धोखेबाजी। तुम साथ हो या न हो क्या फर्क है, बेदर्द जी जिंदगी बेदर्द है। अगर तुम साथ हो, अगर तुम साथ हो। Thank you.
Thank you, Komal. Thank you so much. So moving forward, let's hear it from Drishti. Hi, Drishti.
Hi, a very good afternoon, everyone. My name is Drishti Kohli, and I'm 20 years old and from Delhi, and also an economics graduate. Data curation, hospitality, mandala designs, and beautifications are the skills that I possess. And today I did want to specially showcase my makeup skills. My face is looking very crazy right now. It's catfishing. I tried Kim Kardashian's bronzy makeup look. Of course, I don't look exactly like her because of the face shape thing, but here it is. And I also do creative makeup, which is all over Pinterest. If you search, find Drish. Other talent is mandala, which is right here with me. I have my two drawings here. I hope it's visible. And other talent is data curation in the sense that I can analyze data using different softwares like Python and R. And hospitality, I have volunteered world's largest lesson by ISAC, Girl Up Events, which is an initiative under United Nations and with like NGOs like Care Foundation. And here I have all my certificates. There are too many, so it's kind of hard to show each of them, but here it is. So yes, that's all I have. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Drishti. Thank you so much. So let's move forward to Seli. Hi, Seli. Seli Pradhan, can you please unmute yourself?
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. Good afternoon to all. This is Seli Pradhan here. I hope you all are keeping safe and healthy. So I'm from Odisha. I'm 26 years old. I'm a software engineer and I always love to explore things. I always love to learn new things. So I love dancing. I love singing, and I love to experiment in cooking. And also I do lots of crafts and like knitting and all, and tailoring as well. So I love to do all this stuff. So today I am going to sing for all you guys. I know I'm not that much good singer, but I love to sing, so I want to sing for everyone. यूं ही बरस बरस काली घटा बरसे, हम यार भीग जाएं इस चाहत की बारिश में। मेरी खुली खुली लटों को सुलझाओ तुम अपनी उंगलियों से, मैं तो हूँ इसी ख्वाहिश में। सर्दी की मौसम में हम सोए रहे एक चादर में, हम दोनों तन्हा हो ना कोई भी रहे इस घर में। जरा जरा महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन। मैं प्यासी हूँ मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में, है मेरी कसम तुझको सनम, दूर कहीं ना जा रे। ये दूरी कहती है पास मेरे आ जा रे। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Seli. Thank you so much. Jury members, Seli was 30 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Kanchan. Hi, Kanchan. Kanchan, अपने आप को unmute कीजिए.
Hi everyone, good evening to all my jury members. I am Kanchan Rani, 23 years old from Haryana. And I was a student of fashion designing from KUK University. And I am here to win the crown and best designer through this platform. And my experience I am certified from Chanakya Skills and Grooms. And I'm also certified from NSDC, which is National Skills Development Corporation. And I'm good at Mehndi and poetry and stitching also. And my design is, here is my dresses. This is my gown. This is my collection and मैं कुछ पोएम बोलना चाहूंगी जो मैंने खुद लिखी है. Can I? जो चल पड़ी हूँ इस राह पर मॉडल बनने की चाह पर, तो प्लीज माँ मुझे आगे बढ़ने दो. जब हो गए हैं हौसले बुलंद तो मेरे सपनों को परवान चढ़ने दो. प्लीज माँ मुझे आगे बढ़ने दो. जो खुश हूँ मैं अभी मुझे उड़ने दो. अब मिल ही गया है मुझे ये प्लेटफॉर्म, तो प्लीज माँ मुझे आगे बढ़ने दो. हारना जीतना तो बात की बात है, लेकिन कोशिश ना करना ये तो गलत बात है. कुछ नहीं बस की मेरे इस बोझ को मैं सुनना नहीं चाहती. मिला है मुझे ये मौका, इस मौके को मैं अब खोना नहीं चाहती. प्लीज माँ मुझे आगे बढ़ने दो. मेरे सपने हो गए हैं बुलंद, तो प्लीज माँ मुझे रोको मत, मुझे आगे बढ़ने दो. Thank you.
Thank you, Kanchan. Thank you so much, jury members. Kanchan was 1 minute past her scheduled time. Post Kanchan, the sequence would be Tina, Neeraj, Tejasvi, Ramya, Saloni, Gusain, and Surbhi. So let's hear it from Tina. Hi, Tina.
Hello. Shall I start?
Yeah, please.
ना पूछो मुझसे मेरी मंजिल कहाँ है, अभी तो सफर का इरादा किया है. ना हारूंगी हौसले में उम्र भर, ये मैंने किसी से नहीं खुद से वादा किया है. Namaskar, my name is Tina Khanal. I have turned 24 this summer. I am 5.7 inches tall. I have done my graduation from Delhi University. Since past 3 years, I have been working as a makeup artist, stylist, and an art director. And since past 4 years, I am a part of a theatre group in Delhi itself. So, if we talk about my spare time, what I like to do is reading. Sometimes I paint, sometimes I cook, and sometimes, I write also. So here's the book that I have recently finished. This is Ashad Ka Ek Din by Mohan Rakesh. It's a very good play. And this is a Karna's wife book that I'm currently reading right now. And two of the most favorite book of mine, that is Homebody, that is by Rupi Kaur, and The Mayor of Casterbird by Tom Hardy. So here's the thing that I have written by myself. Actually, this was a kind of a self-motivation for me. ना मैं कह सकूं बिन कहे ना मैं रह सकूं. कुछ लम्हों से जिंदगी खफा सी लगती है, तेरी यादों से जिंदगी हसीन भी लगती है. ये कहना सुनना तो बस एक सिलसिला सा है, बस इस कश्मकश में जिंदगी अब हवा सी लगती है. This poem has been written by me, and thank you. That's all.
Thank you, Tina. Thank you so much. So moving forward, let's hear from Neeraj. Hi, Neeraj. Neeraj Bhatti, can you please switch on your video and unmute yourself? अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए नीरज। Also, Kanchan, can you mute yourself? आपका mic on है।
Sorry, ma'am.
Neeraj, are we ready?
हाँ जी, ma'am.
Go ahead.
मैम ये दिखाइए, ये मेरे खुद के डिजाइन है मैम। ये मैम शेडिंग वाला है, ये शेडिंग के बिना है। ये अरेबियन मैम, तो मैम मेरे को मेहंदी लगाने का बहुत शौक है। मैं मेहंदी के डिजाइन ऐसे बनाती रहती हूँ। मैंने पूरी ड्राइंग तैयार करके रखी है, देखो। तो मैम मैं एक्टिंग करके दिखाऊं? चल जल्दी, मैं तैयार होगी, तू भी तैयार हो जा। अरे बाबा, तेरा इतना मेकअप होगा तो वहां पार्टी निकल जाएगी। अच्छा मेरी बात सुन, तू रुक, मैं चलती हूँ, तुम बाद में आ जाना। मार मत, मारती क्यों है? सबका वेट करती हूँ, तेरा भी तो वेट करूंगी ना। तेरा क्यों नहीं करूंगी? तेरा भी वेट करूंगी। सब मेरे को ही वेट करवाते रहते हैं, कोई खाने के टेबल पर वेट, कोई नहाने के बाथरूम के लिए वेट। अरे बाबा, मैं तुम्हारी बात नहीं कर रही, मैं अपने भाई साहब की बात कर रही हूँ। वो एक बार बाथरूम में चले गए ना, वो निकलने का नाम ही नहीं लेते। इसलिए मैंने तो सोच लिया, मैं जिस घर में शादी करूंगी ना, वहां 2 बाथरूम होने चाहिए। तू हंस क्यों रही है? हंस मत, मैं जोक नहीं सुना रही। थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, Neeraj. Thank you so much. So, moving forward, let's hear it from Tejasvi. Neeraj, अपने आप को mute कर लीजिए.
Hi everyone.
Hi, Tejasvi.
Hi, I'm Tejasvi Madan. I am a student of Bachelor of Commerce in Australia, and I'm also a choreographer and an international level pianist. I'll be showcasing 5 talents today. So here I go.
तरसती है निगाहें मेरी, तकती है राह तेरी, चाहे बना तेरी। ये कैसे मैं बताऊं तुझे, सोती नहीं यादें मेरी, कटती नहीं रात मेरी।
There's some problem with the light. I'm so sorry. I'm also into painting. This was the last painting I had drawn of Egyptian mummy. I'm also a poet. तेरी हंसी जैसे कोई खिलता हुआ गुलाब हो, तेरी आंखें जैसे कोई समंदर शराब का हो। शुक्रगुजार हूँ मैं उस रब का जिसने मुझे तेरा दीदार कराया। तू मिला तो लगा जैसे प्यासे को मिल गया पानी हो। Thank you. I'm also a fitness enthusiast and I'm into powerlifting. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, Tejasvi. Thank you so much. Jury members, Tejasvi was 25 seconds past her scheduled time. So, moving forward, let's hear it from Ramya. Hi, Ramya.
Hello, ma'am. Very good afternoon to everyone. I am Ramya Datla. I am from City of Destiny, Vizag. I am 25 years old. I am currently pursuing my MA graduation in Geetham University. Today, I would like to show some of my social achievements with you all. I am social worker. From past few months, I achieved lots of achievements. Recently, I appointed as a Vista Foundation executive member. I got some appointment letter, and I donated my family. I donated my blood for 3 times for 2 people. So they gave us a wonderful certificate, and that my volunteer hours. I would like to show some of my achievements. Past 1.5 years, I did lots of humanity services like social services and food distributions. Further, I received my few of my achievements from World Records, Women Achievements Awards, and Forever Star Book of Awards, Genius Book of Awards. These are my achievements. From recently in my city, they did a wonderful article about me on a Skyline newspaper in July 17th. This is article about me for doing such a social service. Thank you.
Yes, Neeraj,
Thank
what
you,
do you want to
Rana.
say?
Thank you, Ratimya. Thank you so much. Neeraj, you can go ahead. Preeti ma'am has asked you to speak.
मैम मुझे कुछ बोलना था.
बोलिए नीरज, प्लीज बी क्विक.
मैम मैं इसलिए कुछ बोल नहीं पाई, नीचे गेस्ट आए हुए हैं, इसलिए मैंने सीधा अपना वो डिजाइन दिखाना शुरू कर दिया. मैम मैंने बोला ये मेरे खुद के डिजाइन है, मैं डिजाइन करती हूँ, और जो डायलॉग लिखा था ना वो भी मैम मैंने ही लिखा है, खुद का है मेरे.
आपकी परफॉर्मेंस हो चुकी है नीरज, और आपको जो टाइम दिया गया था उसी बेसिस पे आपको जज किया जाएगा. अगर उस समय पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम थी तो आपको हैरी मैम को इन्फॉर्म करना चाहिए था, राइट? कि मैम अभी मैं नहीं परफॉर्म कर सकती हूँ, मैं बाद में करूँगी.
मैंने मैसेज किया था कि हैंड भी ओवर किया था.
आपने मैसेज किया है कि मैं जल्दी कर सकती हूँ, तो मैंने आपको लास्ट से बिल्कुल बीच में डाल दिया ताकि यू नो इट्स इजियर, वरना आपकी बारी बिल्कुल लास्ट में थी.
तो कोई बात नहीं मैम, थैंक यू.
अपना हैंड लोअर कर लीजिए तो प्लीज. हाँ, इट्स इजियर. नहीं तेजस्वी, योर ऑडियो वाज प्रीटी क्लियर, डोंट वरी. हर माइक वाज ऑन म्यूट ओनली. हाँ जी, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. ओके. Okay, so moving forward, let's hear it from Saloni. Hi, Saloni.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Namaskara, Sat Shri Akal, Walaikum Salam, Khambagani, and whatnot. This is India, the country where there is a unity in diversity. Hello, everyone, and respected judges. I'm Saloni Gusai, 18 years old, from the city of Bangalore. यार मेरा राजस्थान जाने का बहुत मन था, पर इस कोविड ने सब खराब कर दिया. मैं राजस्थान तो नहीं जा सकती, क्यों ना राजस्थान को यहाँ लाया जाए.
Thank you, Saloni. Thank you so much. So moving forward, let's hear it from Surbhi, and post Surbhi, the sequence would be Pragya, Manjusha, Reema, Janani, Shilpa. So let's hear it from Surbhi. Hi, Surbhi.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
So, hello, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Survi Shaw, and I'm from Kolkata. I completed my graduation in Bachelor's of Science from Kolkata, but currently pursuing PG Diploma in Mass Communication. And my hobbies are dancing, singing, cooking, and today I'm going to show my dance as my talent. So, ma'am, can I start?
से निकले पड़े लौंडे आगे कहीं टिकते नहीं बातें हैं डरती मेरे निकले कहीं चल निकले कहीं
Thank you, ma'am. That's all.
Thank you, Surbhi. Thank you so much, jury members. Surbhi was 25 seconds past the scheduled time. So let's hear it from Pragya now. Hi, Pragya.
Hi, ma'am. So may I start?
Yeah, please go ahead.
So everything happens for a reason. I believe in this at the highest level. Namaste, hello, and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pragya Singh. I'm 21. I'm born and brought up in the city of dreams, Mumbai. Currently, I'm pursuing my degree with INAF Vashi, specializing in fashion design. My hobbies include dancing, reading, and traveling. So as a talent round, today I'm going to show you my dance. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Pragya. So moving forward, let's hear from Manjusha. Hi, Manjusha.
Hello, ma'am. Should I start?
Are we ready? Yeah, please go ahead.
Namaste to all lovely ladies and judges. I'm Manjusha Pandey from city Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. As I'm talking about my talents, there are so many things I love to do, but I showcase my two talents here. First is my painting. Hope it's visible. And now it's time for my second talent, which I love to do most, is dance. So let's get started.
so much. This is all I have.
Thank you, Manjusha. Thank you so much. So moving forward, let's hear it from Reema. Hi, Reema.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Myself, Reema. I'm 23 years and मैं ओडिशा से बिलोंग करती हूँ. एक्चुअली मेरी लव मैरिज हुई है. मेरा हस्बैंड गवर्नमेंट जॉब में है और मेरा 3 ईयर का बेबी बॉय है. और मेरी हॉबीज बहुत कुछ है जिसमें खुशी मिले. बहुत कुछ है, डांसिंग, ट्रैवलिंग, इंजॉय हर सेल्फ और कुकिंग, एवरीथिंग. और फिलहाल तो मैं आप लोगों को डांस दिखाना चाहूंगी. जस्ट अ मिनट. Just a minute.
Thank you, Reema. Jury members, Reema was 22 seconds past her scheduled time. So let's hear it from Janani now. Hi, Janani.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Janani from Coimbatore. Right now, my goal is to be the best version of myself so that I can inspire others through my journey. I'm going to present a poetry in Tamil, followed by the translation. மலரினும் மென்மையான மகரந்தம் முன்னுள்ளே எனினும் சிலரின் முள்பட்டு சிதைந்தாயோ உன் புன்னகையே பூவானதோ உன் கண்ணிமையே கடலானதோ இடைவிடாத துயரங்களில் தத்தளித்தாயோ இடராது பாடுபட்டும் நீ புண்பட்டாயோ கவிதை போல் உன் நடையோ உனக்கென ஒரு மேடையோ தடை தகர்க்க இடி முழங்க விடிவெள்ளியாக விண்ணுக்கும் மண்ணுக்கும் இடையே தோன்றும் மின்னல் கீற்றை போல் கண்கள் மிளிர்வாய் ஒளிபரப்ப கவலைகள் மறப்பாய் மனம் திறக்க உன்னுள்ளே ஒரு கீதம் என்றும் நீ இசைத்திடுவாய் கடல் அலையின் சப்தங்களுக்கிடையே. I would like to translate it. She is delicate like a pollen within a flower, yet she is hurt by the thorns. Her smile bloomed like a flower, but her eyes were filled with tears. She struggled between the never-ending storms. In spite of her hard work, she was criticized, but she walks so elegantly, and there's a stage waiting for her, where she blows down her obstacles like a thunderstorm for a new glimpse of life. Like a lightning that emerges between the sky and earth, her eyes glitter radiantly, her worries are gone, and she opens her heart to sing a song amidst the waves of the sea. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So moving forward, next we have Shilpa, and post Shilpa, the sequence would be Bindu, Priyanka, Vandana, Neelam, and the one jinka username Galaxy A20 hai. So let's hear it from Shilpa. Hi, Shilpa.
Hi, namaste. My name is Shilpa Thapa. I'm 37 years old and मैं गाना गाना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे गाना गाने का शौक है और खाने बनाने का शौक है और डांस करने का शौक है, पर मैं गाना गाना चाहती हूँ। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा, दिल है छोटा सा महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे, फूल बगिया में महके हो जैसे, बादलों की मैं ओढ़ो चुनरिया, झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बादलिया, अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया, दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Shilpa. Thank you so much. So now getting into the most patient 5 people in the batch. Thank you so much for waiting for your turn. So let's get started with Bindu. Hi, Bindu.
Hi. Hello, everyone. I'm Bindu Kanakanti from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. I'm working as a fitness trainer. I love to do many things, and some of them are going to show now. I love to do crafts. This is the beautiful waterfall craft which I have done. And this is Eiffel Tower. I love to paint as well. This is the beautiful bottle art. I even love to draw. This is the picture of my husband. And I also love to dance. Yes. Fast. Sorry, fast. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bindu. Thank you so much. So let's hear it from Priyanka now. Hi, Priyanka.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much, beautiful ladies, to showing your talent. So I just want to sing a song. My name is Priyanka. I hail from Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand, and here is one. मैं तेनू समझावा कि ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी, तू की जाने प्यार मेरा, मैं करा इंतजार तेरा, तू दिल तो जान मेरी, जान मेरी, जान मेरी. And one dance as well.
Thank you so much, Priyanka. Jury members, Priyanka was 10 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Vandana. Hi, Vandana.
हेलो, हाउ आर यू? मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
I am good. हाँ जी, आपकी आवाज आ रही है. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready. So, I am Vandana. एंड मैं आई एम वंदना एंड मैं कानपुर से हूँ और आज मैं आप सबको यहाँ पे डांस सिखाने जा रही हूँ अपना। जस्ट Thank you, ma'am. That's it.
Thank you so much, Vandana. Jury members, Vandana was 45 seconds past her scheduled time. So moving forward, let's hear it from Neelam. Hi, Neelam. Vandana, please अपने आप को mute कर लीजिए. हाँ जी नीलम, अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए, माइक आइकॉन पे क्लिक कीजिए.
ओके मैम. हेलो मैम. नमस्ते मैम.
नमस्ते, आप रेडी हैं?
हाँ जी मैम.
जी शुरू कीजिए.
सॉरी मैम एंड थैंक यू मैम. प्लीज मैं थोड़ी लेट अच्छा से अटेंड नहीं कर पाई. आपको आवाज आ रही है मैम मेरी क्लियर?
हाँ जी आ रही है.
ओके मैम, मैं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देती हूँ. मेरा नाम नीलम है. मैं हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट में सेल्फ वर्किंग वुमेन हूँ और पिछले 1 साल से मेरी कोरोना में ड्यूटी चल रही है और मेरा टैलेंट ये है कि मैं अपने काम के प्रति बहुत ही ऑनेस्टली हूँ. और जो मुझे कोरोना में मुझे मिला है ये है मैम. और इसके साथ ही मेरा टैलेंट ये है कि मैं पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग एंड सेल्फ एटीट्यूड पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड.
थैंक यू नीलम, थैंक यू. एंड वंदना प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ. नीलम आप भी अपने आप को म्यूट कर लीजिए. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. So moving forward, there's only one candidate left जिन्होंने पिंक दुपट्टा लिया हुआ है. क्या आप प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट करके अपना नाम बताएंगी? Kirti ma'am, can you ask from your end, the option ask to unmute? जिन्होंने पिंक दुपट्टा सिर पे लिया हुआ है एंड एक हाँ जी अपने आप को अनम्यूट कर लीजिए प्लीज. हाय, आप अपना नाम बता सकती हैं?
आई एम डॉक्टर संतोष चौहान.
ओके संतोष, आर वी रेडी?
यस
जी, गो अहेड.
Namaste forever star India. I am Dr. Santosh Chauhan. Excuse me. Orthopedic physiotherapist My hobbies are listening music, reading books, and helping needy people. My goal is win a crown and inspiring women of India. I will sing a song and dance. Start. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा, न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा, ओ हमनवा. Dance. Rajasthani dance. Girl.
Thank you, Santosh. Thank you, jury members. Santosh was 25 seconds past the scheduled time. Please आप अपने आप को mute कर लीजिए so that we can move forward. Okay, thank you so much, ladies. This brings us to the end of the show. Thank you so much for putting up such a beautiful show across. So now I request the jury members one by one to give on some parting words before we leave. So let's start with Kirti ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Harry, for allowing me, and thank you so much, each one of you. All of you are such incredible women, giving such incredible performances. And let me just tell you, all of you are looking very vibrant, so charismatic. And the way you've planned your performances is also, most of you, not each one of you, but most of you, you have planned your performances perfectly. Kuch 5-10 seconds upar niche hua hai, but that's not a problem, I guess. And you know, when you have so many beautiful women giving such energetic and enthusiastic performances on a single platform, imagine the kind of energy that, you know, all of us are radiating right now. I am totally impressed. I met each one of you during the auditions, but I did not know that you all are so talented. So hats off to you know, each one of you preparing it so well. Now coming to the next point, pehle positive अच्छी बातें हो चुकी है. Let's come to the point where a few of you are not behaving in a mature way. Just consider this as a huge and a big platform that you're on. आप ऐसे ही कहीं भी जाके perform नहीं कर रहे हैं. You are performing for Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2021. So your preparation has to be according to this platform, right? I just want कि आपको 1 week पहले पता चल जाता है कि मेरा talent round 1 या talent round 2 है, and इसकी time limit 90 seconds है. इसमें मुझे अपना talent portray करना है. So I'm sure you can just take out 1 or 2 hours from your busy schedule to plan that कि मुझे 90 seconds में ये कैसे करना है. And once your planning is done, you should, you know, perform it before the final performance. You should prepare yourselves, right? Because once you're under-prepared, you're underconfident. And when you're underconfident, you know, your breathing gets faster. You forget what you had to say. You just look at the paper or wherever you've written your stuff. So I don't want that to happen again. Do not worry. You have 2 more chances to perform. You have 2 more chances to prove yourself. So do that this time. Be more prepared. in all the 3 rounds your time limit will be 90 seconds. लेकिन आप इतनी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस देके अगर 90 सेकंड्स को आप 3 मिनट से एक्सटेंड कर देते हैं अपनी परफॉर्मेंस, इमेजिन जूरी मेंबर्स पे क्या बीतती है, वो कैसे आपको स्कोर देंगे, राइट? कि आपने परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी दी है लेकिन आप अंडर प्रिपेयर्ड हैं क्योंकि आपको पता ही नहीं था कि टाइम लिमिट आपको क्रॉस नहीं करनी है. Secondly, do not ever say while giving your final performance that I'm not surely good at it, but I love to sing, I love to dance. If you're really passionate about it, चाहे आप सुर में नहीं गा रहे हैं, चाहे आप कैसा भी डांस कर रहे हैं, until the time you're enjoying your own performances, you are good at it. So never say that again, that I am not really good at it, but I will perform it for you. What does that show? That you're underconfident. Yes? So all the best from my side. Please come with more preparation next time, and all of you are looking lovely.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Now I request Chitra to take over.
Congratulations to all of you all. You all have sailed through the talent round 1 today. And I know you all must have been really very apprehensive about this. But then life is about putting yourself outside your comfort zone and bringing out the best in you. This room was so filled with talent today that it was like one after the other, like there was, an avalanche of talent flowing here. However, as Kirti rightly pointed out, that you all were well prepared, but you need to really consider the time limit, because at this point of time, it may not affect you all. But henceforth, if you all are not very cautious about it, it may affect your ranking, and it becomes very difficult for us to give any kind of a negative marking, because we do not come with that mindset here that we want to give you all lesser marks or be very, strict in giving you all any kind of a score. So henceforth, please be prepared with the time frame that you all have given. You all are talented, and you all can even do the best in 90 seconds by breaking it up in the right way and then practice it accordingly. Yeah, all the best to all of you all. Bye.
Thank you, Chitra. Thank you. And now I request Smita to take over. Smita, आप mute पे हो?
Hi, good evening, everyone. As Kirti and Chitra said, definitely it takes a lot of courage to come and perform here. So definitely a big clap for each one of you for that. Yes, exam time, this was exam time. So whether it is 90 seconds or 2 hours, exam to exam hoti hai. And when 3 teachers are sitting here marking you, to wo aur nervous hote hai. You get butterflies. But you are prepared for this. You know where you are going. So definitely you need to work for that. You need to be more confident. And please take care of the time. When we have given you 90 seconds, practice. For exams also, we need practice. Similarly, here also, this is an exam. Whether it is a talent 1 or talent 2, you need practice. Practice in front of the screen, because everything is happening online. So you know what is your stage, where is your stage. That was missing today. Half of you were going outside the screen. So it's very difficult for us to mark in that sense. So for round 2 and 3, we are 100% sure that you are going to put extra efforts, and we are going to really see the real person behind that beautiful performance. So with that, good luck for the further rounds, and we see you are much confident participants in the next round.
Also, I want to point out one thing, that don't worry, you'll have talent rounds. In first round only, you want to show all the talent, and then, feel pressured. You all can bring out 1 or 2 talents at a time, so that you are sorted yourself. Because when you try to put up too many talents in the 90 seconds, you are definitely going to run out of time. So even if it is one talent, just work on it in the best possible way and bring it out in the best way. That is what I also wanted to add. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, ladies. Thank you so much. It was an honor having each one of you here, and thank you for making our day. And now I take your leave to have some parting words with the participants. Thank you.
Thank you.